Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some rustic farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, inviting home decorating style that combines natural, trim-on materials with simple country charm. It celebrates the beauty of imperfection, blending rustic textures with farmhouse comfort to create a cozy, lived-in feeling that feels both nostalgic and practical. Here's a full breakdown of what defines rustic farmhouse decor. Core concept: rustic farmhouse decor draws inspiration from traditional farmhouses, where functionality met natural beauty. It highlights authentic, rugged finishes, reclaimed wood, stone, and metal, often mixed with soft, cozy textiles and vintage finds. Key features: natural materials, reclaimed wood, distressed metal, raw stone, and woven fibers. Weathered finishes, furniture and accents often have chipped paint, patina, or a sun-faded look. Natural color palette: warm whites, creams, tubes, grays, and earthy browns dominate the look. Functional beauty: every piece looks purposeful. Farm tables, leather shelves, and storage baskets are both practical and decorative. Common decor elements: barn doors and exposed beams, rustic wooden dining tables, and mismatched chairs, iron light fixtures, or vintage lanterns. Galvanized metal accents, mason jars, oven baskets, and ceramic pictures, farmhouse sinks, vintage clocks, and wall art with weathered wood frames. Embrace imperfections. Rustic farmhouse style celebrates age and wear. Use distressed furniture and chippy paint for authentic charm. Mix old and new pieces to keep the space balanced and livable. Choose a warm, neutral palette. Stick to earthy tones to create a soft, grounded atmosphere. Main colors: cream, beige, taupe, warm grey, soft white. Accent colors: muted greens, faded blues, or rusty rose. Add depth by layering similar shades instead of strong contrast. Add cozy lighting. Lighting sets the mood for rustic charm. Use iron candelabras, mason jar lamps, or antique style sconces. Opt for warm light bulbs, soft white or amber tones. Scatter candles or lanterns around for a soft evening glow. Decorate with nature. Bring the outdoors in. It's a key part of farmhouse living. Add dried flowers, wildflowers, or potted herbs in clay or tin pots. Use branches, penny garnish, or driftwood as natural accents. Use vintage and handmade pieces, soft thrift stores, or flea markets for old mirrors, crates, and farm tools. Display antique kitchenware like enamel pictures or old skulls. Showcase handmade crafts, crochet, embroidery, or pottery to personalize your decor. Focus on functional decor. Everything should be beautiful and useful. Use oven baskets for storage. Repurpose old leathers as blanket holder. Thanks for watching this video.